Seth Godin, writing on the subject of skill versus talent, says, "You're born with talent, you earn a skill." Pitching is a skill and it's one that you can earn and develop. Hello, my name is Donncha Hughes and I'd like to tell you about my 30-minute online training program, Introduction to Pitching. In this 30-minute taster program, I will discuss pitching within the context of sales, negotiation, value propositions and seeking investment. Structured into 3 very short modules, the program provides guidance on pitch creation and delivery within a 6-step process. So this workshop really is for everyone because pitching and presenting is a key skill in everyday life. I believe everybody is pitching themselves every single day, selling what they can do, building a brand as someone or a business that delivers on a promise. I hope you sign up and enjoy this program.